right, hey there, everybody. Today we're going to be looking at area of circles. This should be a review for you guys, but I want to make sure that we cover all our bases for our cylinders. So the bases of cylinders and cones are always going to be circles. So the formula for the area of a circle is listed above, where we find area equals pi times radius squared. So when we look at the formulas for volume, you can see there's a capital B. Capital B in those formula means area of the base, which means you could also use that formula, area equals pi r squared, in place of the B. So we can use big B here. So let's look at what we have here. Our first cylinder is drawn here. So our first step is going to be to draw the base, or in this case, we can even shade the base. I'm going to draw a little baby circle here and show that my radius is 6. So we're looking for the area of a circle. So area equals pi times radius squared. We're going to plug the numbers where they go. So we don't know what the area is. We're going to keep pi as pi. And in this case, our radius is 6. So we have radius squared. And of course, it's always okay to put this all in the calculator. So I'm going to kind of clean things up here. So 6 squared is 36. So this will be 36 pi. So we're going to use 3.14 for pi. So in this case, I'm going to plug in a 3.14 here. So 36 times 3.14 would give us an area of 113.04. And of course, we're looking at inches squared. All right, let's look at the next one. In this case, we are given a diameter. So our diameter is 8. So that means we need the radius. To find that, we're going to divide it by 2. So radius equals 8 divided by 2, which would give us 4. So now we can find our area. So area equals pi times radius squared. Area equals pi times 4 squared. Area equals, I'm going to go ahead and go to 3.14 times 4 squared. So our area for this particular cylinder would be 50.24 centimeters squared. All right, let's try the next one. Colors here. In this case, again, we're given a diameter, which is 10. So to find our radius, we're going to divide that by 2. So this would be 5 for our radius. So again, putting this all into Desmos is an okay thing to do. So our area in this case would be 78.5 feet squared. So those are all cylinders. So now let's look at a cone. A cone's going to be a little bit different, sort of, because we only have one base, which is here. Again, I'm given the diameter. So that means the radius is going to be half of that, which is 11. So area equals pi times radius squared. Pi times 11 squared. So the area for this particular base is 379.94 centimeters squared. All right, for the last one, again, I'm going to shade my base. My radius is given to us, so that's good. So area equals pi times radius squared. Pi times, in this case, the radius is 5. We actually already did one of these, so this would be 3.14 times 5 squared. So our area is 78.5, in this case, inches squared. So to kind of bring all this together, the steps, the process is this as follows. Shade the base, write the formula, plug in numbers, and then calculate in Desmos, of course. A lot of these times you're going to have to round, so that's okay though.